Hi, my name is Paul Johnson. I'm a sales engineer at Centec. I would like to thank you for watching this presentation today. During the next couple of minutes, I will be outlining some of the key features and benefits that you should expect to find when using Centec's eChat application. This presentation should last approximately 5 minutes. As you probably already know by now, offering your customers the ability to chat in real time with you online with a live chat service is a must nowadays. For this reason, you will notice that all the top sites now offer it, and it really goes a long way in terms of presenting yourself as a responsive business with professional customer care and service. It also ensures that customers who are not likely to pick up the phone for various reasons will be able to ask you questions and address their concerns before simply abandoning your site. One of the most important things that you will immediately notice when using eChat, and what sets it completely apart from other live chat systems, is that it's actually 3 applications built into one. It's a multilingual live chat system supporting over 50 languages. It's also extremely customizable in terms of the application's online presence, and more importantly, it's also a NetSuite integrated live chat system, which means you can actually access valuable data in NetSuite directly from the chat window itself without having to log into NetSuite in order to do it. So first we'll review eChat's multi-language capabilities before moving on to its customization and NetSuite related capabilities. Simply put, eChat is a secured web-hosted application capable of real-time translation in over 50 different common languages. The application can actually translate conversations both ways so that you can communicate with your prospect or client in your native language while your clients communicate with you in theirs. Using the application for real-time translation is very easy and simple to do. Once a visitor starts chatting with you, the application can detect their language with one word in most cases. Once the client language is detected, all you need to do is set the operator language. The system's default language is English, by the way, and then set the client's language. From that point forward, the entire conversation will occur as a normal chat session, but in both languages. As you can see here, the customer will be able to write in his own native language, Spanish in this case, and will also be able to get your responses in Spanish too, while you, the operator, receive the customer's messages back in English or your preferred language of choice. Note how writing in English produces the appropriate translation for the customer. This is certainly a great tool that will give you a competitive advantage, especially taking into account that you can literally use this feature with over 50 of the most commonly used languages, such as Spanish, French, German, Chinese, Italian, and many, many others. What this means is that you can actually expand your reach to a $20 billion plus a year market from shoppers who speak a foreign language both locally and abroad. As I had mentioned previously, Centec's live chat system is also extremely customizable, and we'll go into that right now. You can literally customize the chat windows in more than 10 million different possible combinations. This can actually make a great difference when dealing with different types of customers and products, and so that clients are a lot more likely to engage you and start the shopping process or become a new lead or prospect. As you can see here, not only the banner section text is customizable with different font types, colors, and styles, but also the operator image as well. So you may choose to display a female image for female products or categories, and perhaps a male's image for products directed towards a male audience, such as male clothing, manufacturing, tools, and the like. As you can also see here, the invitation message can also be customized in fonts, color, and size. The idea is that instead of using a generic and even boring invitation across the entire site, which is unfortunately what most other chat systems do, you can make customer-specific customizations to suit personalized customer requirements. You can also customize the chat invitations to display coupons, special offers, sales, or even advertisements. Instead of just offering 10% off on the entire site with a static banner, which may look pretty generic and most people simply don't pay much attention to, you can display these messages on select products, which in turn looks more convincing and appealing. eChat also gives you the ability to create unique banners and chat invitations for specific site pages. Once you have created the banner, simply indicate which page it applies to, and it will only show up on that page or category. Colors can also be customized both for the invitations and the actual chat windows. You have literally over 10 million possible combinations to choose from. Again, e-commerce is a lot about being able to offer a personalized shopping experience over the web, and this is certainly a great way to do it. Here we can see how the image over the banner can also be changed. In this case, we're using company logos, but you can use any image you want. Finally, one of the most impressive advantages of eChat, if not the most impressive, is eChat's NetSuite integrated features. Having been developed by a NetSuite developer partner, eChat is a NetSuite integrated live chat system. What does this mean? Well, some other chat applications say that they are integrated, but they truly aren't. They require you to log into NetSuite using an iframe or pop-up window. eChat doesn't require you to do any of that. Using the eChat panel, you can create, submit, update, and pull information from NetSuite, such as leads, customer information, cases, products, and transactions, remaining inventory levels, and much more. Again, you can do all this directly within the application without having to ever log into NetSuite or even use your NetSuite login to do this. This is truly unique to our application. eChat also has many other standard features such as being able to push pages to customers, view chat histories, transfer chats between agents. It's Google Analytics compatible, and much, much more. So there you have it, folks. eChat, 3 applications in one, multilingual, extremely customizable, and also packed with rich NetSuite integrated features. Best of all, during this rollout promotion, we will be offering eChat for a limited time for about 50% less than what other competitors are charging for less capable systems. This is a limited time promotion, so be sure to act now and start maximizing your e-commerce potential and sales with eChat. This was Paul Johnson on eChat Top Features presentation. I want to thank you again for watching this video and have a great day.